Science and technology have played a crucial role in the growth and transformation of the nation over the last 75 years. While the Green Revolution has made the nation self-sufficient in food grain production and visionary infrastructural development have made it an industrial powerhouse, the technological advancements and indigenization in the defense sector has helped India in making a place for itself amongst its global contemporaries. But the security challenges that the nation faces today are complex, as the very nature of warfare is undergoing rapid changes due to smart weapon systems from drones to hypersonic missiles. India has the second largest defense force in the world with a strength of over 14 lakh active personnel and has the third largest annual defense budget of over 5.25 lakh crores behind only the USA and China. But despite huge manpower and military budgets, India is still amongst the largest importers of defense equipment in the world and imports around 60% of its high-tech defense hardware from countries like Russia, Israel and the United States. The Government of India has demonstrated its commitment towards the development of indigenous defense manufacturing capabilities by launching and promoting the Make in India initiative in the defense sector. The Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) is tasked with designing, developing and producing cutting-edge technologies that make our armed forces indomitable, not only in the battlefield but also in the minds of our adversaries.
Once you develop your own technologies, lots of industries produce it, your knowledge will be enhanced a lot, you also will have the tendency to develop more and more, and that paves way for the exports also. So unless you develop a equipment in your own country, you won't be able to export it to another country. So this has lots of implications and it is essential and important, and the government has recognized this, and so the government has given a lot of drive on this to have a Make in India program, to make the heavy system here and be Aatmanirbhar.
So in this episode, we will take a look at India's journey of design, development and manufacturing of indigenous and advanced warfare systems. We will also talk about the various domains of defense applications like light combat aircraft, the Tejas in aeronautics, the Main Battle Tank Arjun in combat vehicles, supersonic cruise missiles, Brahmos, as well as armaments and radar systems, and how they are all enhancing the comprehensive national power and strengthening national security of the country. This and much more in this episode of Science for a Self-Reliant India, only on India Science.